Hello, this is Bro39, and I got an update on my Rubik's Cube. Take a look. New build up the heat shrink cube. And here, my very old Rubik's Cube from when I was in 6th grade. It's my very first one I ever started using. My first started solving cubes. The 1971 model. You see very close. Let me get the camera to adjust. Hang on a minute. Well, it says Rubik's on there. Sorry about the focus on the camera. Then the next is my full color for. And here's my brand new 7x7 Rubik cube. Pretty darn heavy. Here's 7x7 compared to the 5x5. 5x5 compared to the 4x4. Then the 3x3, which I put in the pattern cube in a cube. Here in the 2x2, all my Rubik's cubes right here. Let me zoom out a second. Hang on, let me get something zoom out. So there are all my Rubik's cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 Rubik's cubes. And they're all from Amazon.com. And I am getting a 6x6 in the mail in the end of September here. Cool, huh? Well, that's it. If you liked the video, please like, rate, comment, subscribe. Now, join me next time for the next video. Thank you.